After a year of protests at the Standing Rock Sioux reservation in North Dakota, Native American tribes are now marching to the White House to demand actions. On Friday, they will hold a rally called the Native Nations Rise March to push for their civil rights, treaty rights, and a meaningful dialogue with President Donald Trump. Now, this comes after 4 days of meeting, press, and workshops in Washington, D.C. Let's dwell into the exact story. The Standing Rock Sioux tribe, known for its battle against the Dakota Access Pipeline, is leading this particular moment. The pipeline stretches 1,172 miles and costs around $3.8 billion. The tribe says that it threatens their drinking water, crosses sacred land, and was approved without consulting them properly. Although the Obama administration paused the pipeline project back in December 2016 to consider alternate routes, Trump signed an order in January 2017 to resume the construction. But you know for what? Let me tell you. The pipeline could soon transport 550,000 barrels of oil every single day. The fight has united Native Americans from across the country. Now, last year, over 300 tribes supported the Standing Rock Sioux tribe with funds and resources. Now, this was not just about one single pipeline, but it became a symbol of a bigger struggle for indigenous rights, land, and respect. Aaron Weiss, 26 years old, a member of Jicarilla Apache and Laguna Paulo tribes, spent 4 months at the Standing Rock's protest. She helped from the International Indigenous Youth Council to give a voice to youth Native Americans. She said, and I quote, "Standing Rock was the first time we felt our voices matter. It showed how powerful indigenous-led resistance could be." Now, for many Native Americans, this march is not just about one protest. It's about standing up against years of being ignored by the government on issues like environmental damage, unemployment, poverty, and lack of health care. Tribes are still fighting to protect their lands and resources, not just for themselves, but for their future generations as well. Now, if we talk about data, then Native Americans make up about 2% of the United States population, or roughly we can also say 7 million people. Yet, they face higher rates of unemployment and poverty as compared to other groups. Their lands are often taken for any development projects without even proper consultation, leading to further struggles. Now, this march is also a stark reminder that indigenous communities are resilient. As Weiss says, we are still here. We are still fighting for our children's future and our territory. For the tribes marching in Washington, this is about making sure that their voices are heard very loud and clear. They are demanding respect, justice, and commitment from the government to protect their rights and sacred lands.